Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to find your subscribers' watch time to a video in YouTube on your PC. Knowing how engaged your subscribers are with your content can provide valuable insights for your channel's growth. So, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Start by opening YouTube Studio on your PC. Look for the YouTube Studio icon and open it. Step 2. Once in YouTube Studio, click on Content from the sidebar menu. Step 3. Select the video you want to analyze the subscriber's watch time for. Step 4. Click on Analytics at the top of the page. Step 5. On the Analytics page, click on Audience from the tabs. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Watch Time from Subscribers section. By following these simple steps, you can easily find your subscribers' watch time to a specific video in YouTube on your PC. Use this valuable information to understand your audience's engagement and make informed decisions for your channel's content strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.